So, welcome. Let me take a seat. Welcome to Uncut Conversations, where conversations are literally uncut in several ways. First of all, the video will be posted from the moment the conversation starts until the conversation ends. So, literally, no editing, no cutting, okay? And as well, that for the conversation. So, we're going to be crying in the conversation if necessary, laughing, hopefully, definitely, making mistakes, saying wrong words, and then if you want to correct after, all good, okay? Because that's what a normal conversation would be like as well, okay? And thirdly, uncut conversations will be conversations that normally we do not have. That maybe are shock to reality, to our life, or that we are embarrassed about, or that is taboo in Christianity, in churches. We're going to have those uncomfortable conversations and try to make them maybe not comfortable, but comfortable as well, but just try to make them normal, just try to make them normal, speakable about. I don't know if that's the correct word, but hey, uncut conversations. So welcome. That's it. Uncut conversations, where conversations are uncut and raw. I hope you enjoy them. And that's about it. And I hope you got the uncut. Zoom in a bit. Zoom myself in. But uncut conversations. Do you get it? Instead of cut, we're uncutting the other side. So thank you for being here. Welcome again, and see you soon.